it's Faye. Hello from the bless. Upon high request, a lot of you guys been tweeting me and messaging me and commenting on my videos about this whole microscope. What is it called? So Tina Young did a video where she used a little microscope to zoom into her face, her pores. I think she also did one with like makeup on, and a lot of you guys went crazy and were like, oh my gosh, Faye, you nasty skin girl. Try it out. And I was like intrigued. Oh my god, that's like so close. So that's why today I look like this. No makeup on, no nothing. I just woke up. The truth untold.
외로움이 가득해 비어있는 이 garden 가시투성이.
So no means am I claiming this device or anything. Shout out to Tina. I do watch her videos here and there, and I actually want to reach out to her, but like I'm scared because I don't know, I'm just not good with like reaching out to people. But I love her. She's very informational and she like gets to the point. Unlike me where I just like beat around the bush for a while, you know, like that's my talent. So I'm gonna make sure to link her videos down below for you guys to check out the more informational side. This is just going to be me reacting to my skin and seeing how it looks like. Oh, huge disclaimer. If you have a very sensitive gag reflex, close-up pore shots, and just like trypophobia, I highly recommend you to like click out now. Very gag-full video. Oh, maybe I should do like, does toner really work? Because toner is known to minimize your pores. Nah, I just want to see how my skin looks like. So this is how the device looks like. It is the I don't know what it's called. I will link it down below. Getting fatty. You connect it to your MacBook or whatever you have. Ooh, you want to see my screensaver? Thanks. You just connect it. It's super easy, and then you open like photo booth and then you just click record. You have a feeling I'm gonna be disgusted already. Little things like this trigger me. It's gonna be a long video. You can kind of focus it with this little scroll right here. We're gonna start with this cheek. I want to see how my acne looks like. Hello, hairy Faye. Come through. Oh my god. Really oily, as you can see. I'm already like shook. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm like very oily and hairy. I don't lie when I say I'm a hairy girl. I'm a really hairy girl. No shame. You guys know I have these two bumps here, so I'm gonna go into those areas. Where is it? I am so oily. There's nothing really here. Oh my god, this is so weird. Oh my god, Lee. Oh my god, my god, my god. I'm just hairy and oily. Like, oh, see, as you can tell, my skin becomes more dry over here. So there's like a lot of cracks in my skin. And that's why I say it's so important for you to moisturize around your ear areas, okay, guys? Because like, you rarely see any like cracks in my... Okay, you do. But then you know what I mean. There's not as much like cracks in my skin, but as soon as I go further out, you see all this? It's a lot drier out here. So, going into my ear. Is this safe? What the? Okay, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. That's my shirt. I'm hairy on my neck too. I'm trying to find my mole. Where's my mole? Oh, so here's my mole. And hairy. Oh my god, look at all those pricklies. Nothing interesting. Ooh. Who the? Okay, so I have huge pores on the side of my cheeks right here. Oh my god, what is this? So you just see a lot of hair follicles, cracks in the skin. I'm trying to look for like open pore. Come through. So far the cheeks are okay. They're not like crazy. Oh, ew. So many hairy, so many crackers, so many oil. Disgusting asshole. Ooh. So we're going closer to my suburbs. Look at that jawline. See this jawline? Ooh, here's where it gets juicy because here are all the pores. I can't really see anything like crazy with acne. Brace yourself because we're going on my nose and my nose is disgusting. We all know that already, so don't be shook. Don't act like you surprised. Brenda, calm it down. Oh my god, no. My nose is oily. It's not fair. My nose is so oily, guys. Don't judge me, please. I'm sensitive. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, ew, what the, ew, why are you just chilling there? Holy, look at that clogged pore. Oh my, look at my baby hairs. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look how clogged and look how prickly my hair looks. What? Is there just a long piece of hair on my face? I have some intense clogged pores right here. And oh my god. Oh, it looks like, you see how oily I am? Pork belly. Anyone want pork belly? My nose is so oily. Oh. My nose is so oily. We can cook an egg. We can fry an egg on myself. Oh my. Bring over your barbecue, honey. Ew. 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 Holy. Oh. I'm not alone. I'm not alone. I'm not alone. I'm not the only weird one. What about this area? Ooh, unibrow. Come through, unibrow. Oh yeah, hunty. Ooh! Ooh! It's a forest up in there. I'm hiding all my money in here. It looks so fake. Crap, it's so cool though. Like, I want to pluck all that. Ooh. Oh, what the? That is definitely a clogged hair follicle. This is in my hair now. Ooh, I got some brown hair because I dyed it. This is how your hair looks like when you dye it. I mean, no shit, but like shit. Oh, my scalp is pure. Oh my gosh, imagine ants crawling on it. Look how oily and greasy my hair is. You know how I have fake hair. Fake love. I have fusion bonds that attach fake hair to my real hair. So if I can just find a spot where my fusion bonds are. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's how it looks like for sure. Oh, that is interesting. Oh, it has definitely grown. Oh, wait, how do I get closer? Hold on. Ew. Ew, it's like a nympho. It's like an alien. It's like a blob of like its own life. Ah, it's like a blister. It's like a raisin. Oh, I need to go get this checked. Oh my gosh. I should go get this checked. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I should go get it checked. That's just not okay. What about my earlobe? As you can see here in the Wild West, we have some cactuses that stand up on their own. I'm going blind. Hello? Okay, I do have a mole on my eye. I'm gonna go blind, guys. Oh my god, where are you? This is my bottom lash. That's my eyeball. Okay. Upper lashes, corner. I give up. Okay. The tip of my nose is like so oily. It's disgusting. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my goodness. Just look at that. Does that not freak you out? Oh my gosh, imagine if ants live in here. Oh, I hate ants. I hate ants so much. You have no idea. Like, I hate ants. Oh, I hate ants. This looks like I just tossed a whole bunch of like spaghetti noodles with olive oil and like, here, have your meal. It's time to eat, bitches. Like that, you know? I guess fine. I do have like cracked skin down here. Ooh, what are you? What are you? What is your name? Who are your parents? What the? If you watch Wish Trend, they always have like microscopes that like they look at their skin, and they also have like this tool that like measures the moisture content on your face, and I really want that for like future skincare videos. So like if you know a link or you know what I'm talking about and you know what I mean, maybe you can help link me. I'm just like going lower and lower into my body. Ooh, let's try it. Never mind. Like, look at all this cracked skin. You need to moisturize. Ooh, nice armpits. Look at you. Clear and nice skin. What about my elbow? Popcorn, anyone? Looks like you need road work. What about my toe? That's disgusting. Ooh, sorry, that's just gross. Ooh, let's look under my nails. That is just Oh my god, plain disgusting. Ah! Faye. Oh, I have a mole right here. Ugh, look at that mole. See, moles freak me out. Like, why do we have moles? What causes moles? Why do they look like that? And like, ugh. Well, there you have it, guys. That is me just observing my skin. I intentionally just wanted to do my face, but sorry that we got carried away. I wanted to see my butt crack too, but that'll be another day. Highly recommend you guys to like check this microscope out because it's just so interesting to see how your skin looks like close up. That is it for this video. I feel like I will be incorporating this microscope more into my skincare videos, especially since I know a lot of people are skeptical about like using toner. Does toner really minimize your pores? Or just simply using a blackhead strip? I don't know. It's up to you guys. Whatever you guys want to see. Don't forget to like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss out with all the new content that I am inspired and determined to bring out for you guys. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!